Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush Designer. Today we want to talk about how we can model some bottle of water. So I'm gonna open the SketchUp model. In this lesson, I'm gonna show you how you can use follow me option in creating different objects and subjects. I delete the character, I come to the window, model info setting. I want to change my unit from meter to centimeter, like this. Now I want to draw some rectangle about every dimension I want. A little bit I'm gonna extrude it. So I create a group. Now I want to start my workspace. For drawing some 3D model of bottle of water, at first you must start with a circle. So I click on the circle, and every place I want, it doesn't matter where, you can start drawing a circle. For drawing a circle, I want to type some radius. For example, a normal bottle have some radius about maybe 3 centimeter, and I press enter. Now my diameter is 6 centimeter. I click on the line option. I come and find the center of my circle, and the height is something about maybe 16 centimeter, like this, and another 3 centimeter like that on blue axis and green axis, like this. You can see I draw some type of 3D face like that with rectangle and line. So now I'm gonna start drawing with 2-point arc. For these things, I come closer, and now I'm gonna click on the 2-point arc. I start from here, someplace like this, and draw some curved lines estimately like that to the down from this point to someplace maybe this point, like this, and another for the this place, like that, and another for here, and another will connect to this place, like that, like this, from this point to this point. And sometimes radius is low and it won't let us to draw some type of lines and shapes. For example, something like this, and another from this place to this place, and I repeat it for some times. I select the eraser option, something like that, and delete some extra lines. I'm gonna click on this place. I choose the circle segments, and now I click on the follow me, and I click on that. As you can see, we draw some type of bottle of water like this with different shapes, and it's a little bit like a lantern, but I think it's good for the start. For another reason, I can click on it, I can create some group, and I can use a scale option to change my bottles view like this. So this is my first bottle. I'm gonna drag it in another place. I draw some another rectangle within a 3 radius, and now I'm gonna find the center of it, like this. I click on the center. The height is about 16 centimeter. On the green axis, I'm gonna write 3 centimeter. Another on blue axis, and like this. So this time I want to draw some bottle from down to up. I'm gonna click on the 2-point arc. And now I'm gonna draw these type of badges like this. Alright, now I draw these two arcs. I select both faces, and now I click on the move, press Ctrl on my keyboard, and now copy is available. I'm gonna copy these two faces, for example, something about 10x, or maybe it's a little bit high, something about 7 or 8x, like this. And I'm gonna use 2-point arc again from this midpoint, a bottle like that, and another like this. So now I'm going to delete some extra lines very carefully. In SketchUp 2023, the eraser's accuracy is much better than previous versions, and you can erase all type of lines you want with high detail. So this is our section of the bottle. I'm going to select these segments here like this, and I click on the follow me and I press that. As you can see, now we have some type of bottle. I can extrude the head of it with the control like this, and it's really real and much realistic than the past. So this is our first bottle. I can change the color of it, for example, something like this. As you can see, it's really realistic than the past. I can create some groups, and I use a scale option to change my bottles scale, something like that. As you can see, it's really good. I click on it. I come to the soften edges. If you don't have soften edges in your default tray, you can right click on the default tray and select manage tray. And from the trays, you can select default tray, and we have some options in here you can activate it. So I'm gonna increase my degree like this and check the soft components. As you can see, now we have some realistic bottle. You can decrease the opacity from 100 to the 50, and this is our bottle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and comment. Please subscribe us. We need your support. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I see you at the next session, and goodbye.